Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your laptop or PC. It's very simple and easy process. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open any browser in your device. Click on the search bar and search here Steam. After searching Steam, this page will open and here you will see the link of Steam official website. So simply click on Welcome to Steam. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see Install Steam on the top. So simply click on it. Then on the next page again click on Install Steam. You can see that the setup is installed. Simply click on Show in folder. This is set up and simply install it with the normal process. As I have already installed, so I will just open Steam, and you also have to open Steam after you installed it. After opening the Steam, you have to log into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can simply create an account on Steam. So after the login process, you will be redirected to this page, and on this page you have to click on Store from the top left corner of the screen. After that you have to click on this search bar and search here Need for Speed Most Wanted. I have written Need for Speed and you can see here Need for Speed Most Wanted. Simply select this. Then this page will open and here you can see Need for Speed Most Wanted. Scroll down and here you can see the price of this game $19.99. So this is a paid game. So simply you have to click on Add to Cart and this game will be added to cart. After that simply click on View My Cart and you will see this game in your cart. After that you have to continue to payment as this is a paid game $19.99. So simply click on Continue to Payment. After that you will see different payment methods. Select a suitable payment method. Continue with the payment. After purchasing the game, you will be able to install it and play it on Steam. So this is the simple, easy and legal process of downloading Need for Speed Most Wanted on your laptop or PC.